walk you through how to access the videos for math. I'm showing you from my class's homeroom page, which looks very similar to Mrs. Woodard's. So if you're in Mrs. Woodard's class, it's going to be basically the same. You need to go to whatever day of the week it is and click on that day of the week's button. And then you're going to click on the math button, and it gives instructions to students what they need to do before they come to math and then after they are done with their math Zoom. So before they come to math, they need to do their getting started, which is to watch the video, and then they need to do their working on it, which is completing the practice problems in Nearpod. So once you click on the math button, it'll take you to getting started, learn something new. Okay, this is just grade 4, module 1, lesson 2. So it's just telling you what the specific lesson is here. I have added what day they're supposed to be, like what day this is for, and then directions on what to do if you get stuck. Okay. So you need to first start by clicking on the video. If you haven't logged in before, then when you click on the video link, it'll bring you to this website, this Great Minds website. If it brings you to this website, you need to click Login with Clever right here. From there, we're going to find our school, and then we're going to click Login with Google. It should automatically come up with Login with Google. I'm going to log into mine. Mine looks a little bit different because I am a teacher and not a student, but it's pretty much the same gist. When you click Login with Clever and you try to log in, it will often bring you to this error message or error screen. From here, there's a little robot that looks like it's crying, made of boxes. You need to click Go to Portal. That's going to take you to your Clever portal. And then you are going to scroll down, and you should have an app that looks just like this. It's like a white box and a black box down here. Okay, it says Great Minds in Sync, and that is the app you're going to click on. It will bring you to a page, not like this page, but it'll bring you to a page that doesn't have the video on it automatically. So what you need to do is you need to go back to your Canvas tab, and then go and try to access the video again. And it should bring the video right up just like this. Okay, it might give you an announcement here that says something went wrong, but it should go away without you even having to click anything, and then you can click play to go ahead and play the video. Each video is about 15 minutes long. Students can pause. They can go back and rewatch something if they were confused about something. They need to make sure they're doing what the teacher in the video is doing along with them. That is the best way that they are going to be able to learn this very different way of doing math while we are remote learning. After they watch the video, they need to go to the next page in the module, so back to Canvas, okay, and then they're going to click Next. And then you will end up on a work on it, which are practice problems. So for Tuesday, the important problems that they need to make sure that they do are numbers 1, 3, 5, and 6. They are more than welcome to work on more if they need to. So in order to open Nearpod, they need to just click on this little button right here. It's going to open Nearpod in a new window so that they have plenty of room to write and work. And then hopefully it brings them to this screen and they're going to click Login with Google. And then the directions are recorded for them, but if they don't need them, then the questions are at the top and it gives them the problem. On the Chromebooks, the screens are touch screens, so if you have a pen that like writes on touch screens, that would be great to use for this type of activity. If not, they're just going to have to do their best with writing with their using their mouse. You can also do Nearpod on a tablet, which might be easier than doing it on the computer in some cases. They need to make sure that they do the numbers that were assigned for sure. And then if they have extra time, I would recommend they go back and try some of the other problems.